Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are in the RC350, a freshly detailed RC350, both inside and outside. It's very clean. And today we're in Saratoga, California. If we're in Saratoga, that means we're going to be doing Highway 9. Highway 9 is the famous back road here in the Bay. It's essentially California's version of the Nurburgring because there are a few turns that are very similar to the Nurburgring. This road is always busy. I've come here on a weekday, so hopefully there's not too much traffic, but who knows. I've had a lot of friends who've done this road and they always recommend it. I guess this is a very dangerous road because people who drive here, they treat it like the track. They really push their cars and there have been a lot of accidents here. So the goal is to not be a statistic. But let's do a quick little walk around of the car. I'm not really supposed to be parking here. This is a hotel parking lot, but here is the car. Freshly clean. Don't mind the tire shine if there's tire shine that's been splattered. This is the car here. I still haven't done the chrome delete, but oh, this car looks amazing. It's actually funny, when you wear polarized sunglasses, you can see the I guess the leftover wax residue, things like that. But that's kind of funny. I'm like, wait, am I tripping? Is there stuff here on this car? But no. So this is the car in a nutshell right here. I've done nothing, same old car, but it looks really good when it's all clean. All right, let's get started on this drive. There's actually a creek here. Wow, I didn't know that. It's kind of sick. Okay, sorry, got distracted. Am I excited about this road? Yes and no. Yes, because it's a fun road. No, because I'm afraid there's going to be traffic and I'm going to be stuck. But let's see what happens. Oof, that didn't sound good. So this is the town of Saratoga, very affluent area. I've never liked Saratoga, and I'll tell you why. The restaurants in the little downtown here, there's not a lot of variety. It's kind of boring and bland, I'm not gonna lie. Like, I'd rather go to Mountain View, Los Gatos, Campbell, Sunnyvale, even for that matter. Their downtowns are more, I don't know, exciting. There's more variety in terms of the restaurants. But this is Saratoga. Rarely come here because it's pretty far from my house. Again, Mountain View and all are closer. And I like the food options over there. So Highway 9 is essentially once you pass downtown. So we will start the fun part of the drive here shortly. Type S, beautiful. I love the Integra Type S. It's so muscular. That's the other thing with Highway 9. We're gonna see a lot of fancy cars here. Like, don't be surprised if you see Ferraris or Lambos. Because again, this is a very affluent area and a lot of people come here to have spirited drives. And I'm sure you can hear the rattle. I still haven't fixed it. Reason being is I don't want to go to the dealer right now. I have to go get an oil change in February anyway, so I'll just kill two birds with one stone for the most part. So yeah, just I'm able to handle it because I just turn up the music and it's fine. That's not good. So that place that we just passed, you can see on the map, Hakone Gardens, it's a good date spot. You should take your significant other there. It's very cute. You can get like nice photos and things like that. So you guys should go there. I've driven on this road once, but coming downhill. So from Skyline Boulevard, I've never gone uphill. So I'm gonna take it slow. Again, I don't know the road that well. Very nice. I like that first section. It was actually pretty fun. And then I don't know if you guys saw, there was like a Porsche, I think, coming down here. That's what I'm saying. A lot of people come here just to, you know, go on a spirited drive. Unfortunately, we're stuck behind traffic. But yeah, I mean, I guess now I'll just talk since I don't have to focus on the road too much. But yeah, the videos have been kind of slow. Again, it's December. This is a rainy season. It's been raining for 3-4 days consistently, and then we have a dry day. And I think I've mentioned this in previous videos. When it rains here, the roads are really bad. There's a lot of debris on the roads, things like that. So it's not really worth it to go on a drive because, one, the road is wet, you can't push it, and two, there's just stuff all over the ground. But right now, we have a little dry spell for like 4 or 5 days. I'm like, all right, cool, let me wash the car. The roads should be dry, shouldn't be that bad. And I'm like, let's go for a spin. So here we are. It's actually funny, I just realized, so I had an oil change in August, and I've only put like 1,000 miles on this car since August, which is crazy. It's December. I just haven't driven it much. I don't know if that's good or bad, but yeah. It's kind of sad because I'm like, I'm paying a lot of money for like the loan for a car that I barely drive. But I don't know. I still do enjoy this car. It's fun. I don't mind paying for it. I guess that's just the pro or con of working from home, depending on how you look at it. This guy's actually going a little fast now. I guess you just had to give him a little motivation. But yeah, I still haven't done the chrome delete. Again, in the last video I said 750 was too much money for me to swallow. Maybe if I get a bonus this year, end of the year bonus sort of thing, then yeah, maybe I'll go swing for it. But yeah, I'm not paying 750 right now for a chrome delete. It's too much money. Now the Nurburgring turn or corner is coming up, so just get ready for that. That's a bit depressing. I'm gonna have to get some quick detailer and clean the rocker panel of the car, the side skirts, when I go home. It's weird. Today is a beautiful day in terms of like sunshine. Like there's no clouds. It's really sunny, but it's cold. I mean, it says 48 degrees. I don't know how accurate that is, but it's in the 50s only. It's really cold today. So here's the little Nurburgring corners coming up, if you can see on the map. you. Wow, everyone's actually really courteous on this road. I guess people realize that, you know, people drive spiritedly here. So nice to see actually. ND3, beautiful. Yeah, this road is really nice. Good quality road. It's well maintained, not narrow. You can actually push it. This car is handling pretty well actually, I'm surprised. Road's a bit damp here. What are these like dual lanes? If someone in the comments can let me know, is that like a passing area? I have no clue what that is. Very nice, very nice. Good handling from the car. The road is beautiful. Very nice. So this stop sign right here is essentially Skyline Boulevard. It's a Vista Point. I may actually pull over here because I want to see. He's not even supposed to go there. Interesting. I kind of want to see how long this video has been because I don't want to make this video too long. Let me check. So there will be a cut here. We may end the video here. Let's see. Because this Highway 9 essentially goes all the way to Santa Cruz area, but it's a long drive and I don't know if I want to do the whole thing. Plus I don't want to bore you guys. I'm just gonna pull over right here. Let's see. All right, it hasn't been too long, so let's do the downhill portion actually. We have some time. Just gonna turn it around. Plus I'm gonna have to cut some portions when we're stuck behind traffic, but that was a really fun road. I actually like it. Now I realize why people actually come here, and I don't know why. Well, I mean, there was a lot of traffic, so I guess my fear of coming here was what do you call it? Real? God damn it. We're gonna be stuck behind a guy who's towing. That's great. All right, depending on how long we're stuck behind this guy, I may just end the video. We'll see. Unfortunately, guys, we're kind of stuck behind these two guys. I don't think they're gonna pull over. I don't even think there's any place for them to pull over, so I don't blame them. I will end the video here, unfortunately. I mean, we had some good parts where it was an empty road on the uphill section. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I had fun, actually. That was really fun. The car handled amazingly. I was kind of surprised how it did. And I guess that's a testament to how, you know, when the road isn't that narrow, when the road quality isn't crap, because, you know, if there's bumps on the road, obviously the suspension is gonna, I don't know, oscillate or, you know, bounce around. And from what I've, you know, learned and understood, when you're trying to have a spirited drive, you need to be smooth with your inputs, right? And the only, well, and you can be smooth by your inputs, but obviously by turning smoothly, applying the brakes smoothly, applying throttle smoothly, but also the road quality also impacts that, because if you're bouncing around, right? If there's potholes and stuff and you're bouncing around, the suspension won't be able to load properly, and you won't be able to take corners at you know, the car's maximum capability. So I think that's why, you know, this road is actually showcasing this car's handling, and it's really well, because the other roads that I have driven this car on, obviously the quality wasn't the greatest, and I always complained I don't have, you know, confidence in these corners. But if the road is good, this car is actually pretty good. And again, I've done mods to the car, right? I'm not sure how this car would handle stock, but the way that I've set it up with the lowering springs, door stabilizers, things like that, it's actually pretty well. Like, I have a lot of confidence in pushing this car in the corner. Obviously I didn't push it to, you know, its limits, because again, this is a new road, I'm not familiar with it. But if I were to come back again, you know, after driving it for the first time, I kind of know how the corners are, what to expect. I feel like I could, you know, push it a bit more. But this was a really fun road. I recommend it. If you guys have never come to Highway 9, do it. It's it lives up to the hype, I'm not gonna lie. It's just there's a lot of traffic, so you might have to kind of go up and down a few times to get a good run, if you want to call it a good run. But anyways, guys, I will wrap up the video here. Sorry, again, we're stuck behind traffic. I couldn't show the downhill portion, but I will wrap up the video here, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you all in the next one.